US Bank Secured Credit Card Review. In this video, I'm going to show you whether the US Bank Secured Credit Card is worth using. This card is built for people looking to build or rebuild credit. It requires a refundable security deposit equal to your credit limit starting at $300. Your payment history is reported to all three credit bureaus, helping you establish or improve your credit score over time. Unlike many secured cards, this one has no annual fee, which is ideal if you're focused on budgeting. You can also choose your payment due date, a small but helpful feature for managing cash flow. The card includes fraud protection and integrates into US Bank's mobile tools, making it easy to track spending. However, it doesn't offer rewards or perks. It's purely functional. Its value is in helping you move toward unsecured credit cards. After consistent on-time payments, you may qualify to upgrade to a standard credit card with US Bank. If you're just starting your credit card journey or recovering from past issues, this card is reliable first step. Just treat it like a regular credit card, pay in full or on time. And that's how you decide if the US Bank secured credit card is worth using.